So in this Photopea tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to crop an image here inside of Photopea. So once you have Photopea opened up on your device, what I want you to do is first off, add an image to your design. So I'm just gonna go to the right side of the screen here, press on this image logo. I'm gonna go to the gallery and search up this, or just select this image of what appears to be a car in a Shark Tank. Sort of interesting, but regardless, I'll just make it a little bit larger so that it's the same size as sort of the crop. So once that is done and you want to crop an image, it's pretty straightforward. Go to this left toolbar right here, go down to this icon right here. This is the crop tool. Press on the crop tool right here. Then once you're here, what you can do is, so let's just say if I wanted the car, for example, I can just go ahead, make this a little bit smaller to the size of the car. I'll raise it just like that. Once that is done, I'm just going to double tap outside the screen and double tap right here, or just press this one right here, and there you go. I have now successfully cropped this image here in Photopea. So a pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can crop an image here in Photopea. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.